this is the hosting review. Is Hostinger the right choice for your web hosting requirement or not? In this video, I will be doing my detailed review regarding Hostinger and my experience of using Hostinger for more than 2 years. How it is, what are the features of Hostinger, what are the minus points of the Hostinger, why you should buy Hostinger and why you should not buy Hostinger. So I will be discussing both sides of the aspects, like is Hostinger a good choice for you or not. So let's get started with me. Before I go further on regarding Hostinger plans, let us discuss about Hostinger. Hostinger is being founded in 2006 as a host. Basically, Hostinger was founded in 2004 as Hostinger Media, and then it joined the company 000 Web Host, which was already well known. I do remember back in 2007, triple zero Web Host as a free web hosting company, and then they rebranded themselves in 2011 as Hostinger. Ever since 2011, this company is known as Hostinger, very well known company. I have seen many ads, and I'm sure that you must have heard about Hostinger before watching this video, or you must know about Hostinger before like looking at this video. With 1000 employees and multiple hosting options available: web hosting, shared hosting, cloud hosting, VPS, email. Definitely it seems like a good option to go for your hosting needs. Now let's go on this on what kind of a plans they offer. In case if you select this hosting, you get to see they have web hosting plans, and they also have cloud hosting plans. They have WordPress hosting plans, and they have hosting for professional plans. They also have their cloud hosting plans, but they also have their web hosting plan. The website builder. But right now we are discussing about the hosting plans. They also have VPS hosting. I'm gonna show you. They also have cyber cPanel hosting, and they also have Minecraft server hosting. So let's move on, and you can see their web hosting plans. They have 3 web hosting plans: single web hosting, premium web hosting, business web hosting, with premium web hosting being the most popular plan, where you have ability to host more than 100 websites, 100 GB SSD storage. They also give you free email, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited databases, and you also get a free domain when you buy for 12 months or more. You also get free weekly backups, website builder, free domain, managed WordPress acceleration. I do like their Lightspeed catch-up plugin, which makes the website even load faster. They also offer you 30 days money back guarantee. You also get a free website migration service in case if you're using any existing hosting company. You also get 99.90% uptime guarantee. And in case if you look on their website, you can see that they have ample of good reviews with Trustpilot, Google, Host Advice, WP Beginner, all rating them more than 4.5. But in this video I'm going to show my personal experience as well, and then you can see the best cloud web hosting deals available as well, with 3 plans: cloud startup, cloud professional, cloud enterprise. In case if you are looking for WordPress only hosting, then you are being presented with 4 plans: 1.99, 2.79, 3.99 and 11.59, with $2.79 being the preferred one, where you get 1 TB RAM, 1 CPU core. So a lot of resources for a price for a bargain. In case if you're looking for professional hosting, you can see the pricing over here, with the 3.99, 999, 4.99 and 9.99 as a cloud setup. So in case if you don't know much about, you shouldn't offer this. This is only for advanced users, and they also offer VPS hostings. VPS hosting is just like dedicated hosting, and you can see the first plan is extremely popular with $3.99. It is very reasonable, and the recommended plan is $5.99 per month, where you get 2 GB RAM, 40 GB SSD hard disk, 2 TB bandwidth, 1 snapshot, weekly backups, dedicated IP address, full root access, and they have around 8 VPS plans. So I think depending upon your needs, you can offer either of the one. They also offer cyber cPanel hosting. They also offer Minecraft server hosting. In case if you are into games or Minecraft game, then you can offer this plan as well. And then let's move on to this. Okay, so what I like about this is all-in-one website solution. You can manage up to 100 websites. You also get a free domain. You also get a premium support. In my personal experience, after hosting my website on Hostinger, my website speed improved really fast, and I believe that a second late is a second loss. So website speed should be one of your priority while choosing any hosting company. And this is what I like about hosting, that they prioritize about hosting website speed and how much effort they put on in improving your website speed, and that is what I like about them. And with their light speed cache servers and optimized SSD hard drive, yeah, they take care of your website speed. I will show you in the panel as well. Their team is here to help with 24/7 support. You also get and you also get free migration service in case if you are using any existing hosting company and you like to transfer your hosting to Hostinger. It is very easy and you can do it. And you can see featured client stories. You can see ample of good reviews with, I mean, 100,000, 10,000, 1,396,000, 268 website owners are already using Hostinger, so you should definitely opt for this Hostinger. And because I've been using for 2 years, and let me show you my login panel and let me show you my experience as well, because I've been using for around 2 years, so my experience is very easy and very good with Hostinger. And like it's been 2 years and no such issue of hosting or downtime or website hacking or any such thing appeared, which makes my experience smoothingly easy, very convenient with them. And I still have my free domain option left, that although it's more than a year I've been using it and they didn't expire this option, and I didn't use it last time, but still this is available because I got it in the first year and still have this option to get it even though I didn't get it last time. Here there is their email panel. In case if you want to manage your email, they have a separate email panel over here. Once you click on this manage button, you will be redirected to their email panel, which is powered by Titan. Titan is a very famous app to manage email addresses. Over here you can select my email accounts in case if you want to do internal forwarding, in case if I want to import email data, in case if I want to configure a desktop app, or in case if I want to get a mobile app to check my email address, or in case I want to see my DNS verification, I can click over here. The process is very easy, and I can click over here and get to see all of my email addresses over here, and then can manage accordingly. Let's say if I click over here, and then I can see my email addresses over here, the email addresses I have active or not, and then just select these buttons and just select this access webmail, and I can access my email right away. I can suspend account, delete account, disable admin rights, or even I can reset passwords. So let's move back. To my each panel, like cPanel, Hostinger has called their web hosting panel as each panel. Now I have to select this business web hosting and select this manage button. Once I land on my dashboard, the good thing about them is that they constantly monitoring my website speed. Right now my website speed is 1.7 seconds, and I have not yet utilized their light speed cache plugin, which can make my website speed further improved. I have to do some internal testing on my plugin, which is I'm not using right now, but again this can even further make my experience very good. Another thing good about Hostinger is that they are constantly checking my website for malware scanner, which is very good thing. Now I have 3 options available over here. I can directly go to my file manager and access my website, access what is being hosted on my hosting account. I can select on the databases through here. I can select this WordPress dashboard and directly move into my account. I can see my daily backups are enabled. I can see my free email option is available, and I can click over here and to manage my email IDs. If I click on this WordPress dashboard, I will be redirected over here, and I can edit my website through here. I can see is it HTTPS enabled. I can do the maintenance mode enable or disable. I can even do a WordPress update over here. I can see my daily backups, my PHP version, my WordPress version. I can see is SSL certificate installed or not. In case if I have to install an additional WordPress hosting, I can just select this install button, and I can host further copies of WordPress over here. In case if you see over here, this is my panel available on what I can do with my hosting. in case if I have to edit my DNS zone, PHP configuration, cron jobs, SSH access, PHP, cache manager, GIT, SSL, I can manage it through advanced button over here. And in case if I click on other, I can see my password protected directories, IP manager, in case if I have to disable any IP, hard link protection, so that nobody can copy my content, activity log, file ownership, recent account, every option available here. Security, in security I can see malware scanner. In file I can see my file managers, backup, FTP accounts, and here you can see import website, migrate website, SEO toolkit, logo maker, web development, access log, page speed, auto installer. With auto installer I can install other things such as Joomla, WooCommerce, WordPress, just with a click of a button. So I can also install other things as well, like whatever I like to install, and I can just select it from here and I can install any CMS system. Like MyBB is a very famous forum platform. You can install simple machine forum. You can, in case if you like customer support on your website, you just need to install this OS ticket, and a ticket based hosting support panel will be created on your website in just a click of a button. Like I just have to select this, and then the option will be available over here, and I can see where I like to host it, and like is creating or hosting my own host support online is very easy with this. So there are many apps available here which I can choose and I can install with a click of a button. Okay, and then here in domains I can see my subdomains, I can see my park domains, I can add websites, I can do redirection, and I can select the Cloudflare gives additional protection and additional layer of security for your website. In case if you feel like hosting, I have already discussed about email. Here in account I can see my details or change password. Here I can see my order, renew, upgrade, order usage, or like the amount of hosting space I have used over my resources. I can see over here. Okay, what I like about Hostinger is that the process is very simple and easier, and anyone can use it. You don't need to be a hardcore professional to understand how you can host your website on Hostinger. So the process is very easy, and it's a very easy process to get your website hosted with Hostinger. All you have to do is you have to click on the link in the description and use ALIRAZAMARKETING while in the coupon code to get additional host discount and get started with Hostinger. In case if you ask my opinion with the Hostinger is very good. I have discussed in detail regarding Hostinger, and I would definitely recommend. In case if you are a professional, in case if you have your existing business, in case if you're a blogger, in case if you're a freelancer and you want to make your own portfolio, or in case if you have an offline business and you like to shift to online, or in case if you are starting a new business or a startup and you need a website, definitely Hostinger is my personal preference. I have been using it for more than 2 years and my experience so far is good, and to be really honest, my experience so far is very good, which is why I am recommending it to you that you should also opt for Hostinger due to their pricing, due to their support, due to their quality, due to they are concerned regarding the speed of your website, which I personally like, and then they're easy to use each panel, and like a CMS and one-click installer software. You can choose any software you want to install with just a click of a button. This makes Hostinger one of my best choice to offer, and I definitely recommend you to opt for Hostinger as well. Thank you for watching this video. In case if you have any questions, comments, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box. Thank you and bye bye.